You know, creating life is just nutting in somebody's butt, right? Not exactly, something a little bit above that, but that's what it is. This is my car. That is my house. This is my dick. According to Disney, a boat is actually a butt. So if, with that logic, this is a boat and I can ride in it. Alright, my friend just hooked their penis with a rusty hook. They always gonna be hard from now on. The fish! Oh yeah. Hey Weston, can I get 2 more fishes?
Why?
Because I need to make a threesome of fishes.